Hello, divine souls, and welcome to Psychonics. The next 24 hours will see a tremendous convergence of celestial and collective energies, a cosmic wave that promises to cause deep alterations in the mind, body, and spirit. For people on the Ascension path, these transforming energies have the power to significantly alter the trajectory of their trip. Prepare to embrace this unique time as we explore the wonders of the world and reveal the secrets of our spiritual progress. Join us as we explore how this convergence will light our inner landscapes, raise our consciousness, and align us with the higher frequencies that are already flooding our globe. Let us negotiate this cosmic dance with open hearts and awakened spirits, eager to accept the divine metamorphosis that awaits us. The next 24 hours will see a tremendous convergence of cosmic and collective energy, resulting in a dramatic transformation in the mind, body, and soul. For individuals on the path of ascension, these energies are more than just transient cosmic happenings, they are catalysts for profound change. Here's what to expect as these tremendous forces swirl through our bodies. You may notice increased sensitivity and odd experiences. You may experience an enhanced awareness of your body's subtle energies, as if you can sense the very essence of your being. This phase may also initiate a detoxification process in which your body works to eliminate stagnant energies, allowing higher frequencies to flow through. Listening to your body's messages becomes essential. Prioritize relaxation, stay hydrated, and eat nutritious foods. This is a time to be patient with yourself and respect the physical vessel that houses your soul. Mentally, you may experience a flurry of thoughts, feelings, and discoveries. Old behaviors, beliefs, and limits may emerge, demanding your attention and encouraging you to let go of what no longer serves you. This can be a difficult yet liberating process, paving the way for new insights and expanded consciousness. Staying grounded and centered is critical in the middle of this emotional turmoil. To preserve your equilibrium, engage in disciplines such as meditation, journaling, and outdoor activities. These routines help anchor you, offering a solid foundation as you negotiate these revolutionary mental changes. On a spiritual level, the energetic change represents a significant opportunity for growth and evolution. The veil between the physical and spiritual realms is shrinking, allowing for more intuitive guidance and enhanced psychic abilities. You may have a stronger connection to the divine, as if the universe is whispering secrets to your soul. This is the moment to reflect, pray, and seek communication with your higher self. As your heart opens and your ego fades, you may have a sense of oneness with all of creation. Accept this spiritual awakening with an open heart and let the divine spirit guide you to your full potential. These transforming energies are intended to accelerate our spiritual progress. While the path might be difficult at times, it ultimately deepens our understanding of ourselves, strengthens our connection to the divine, and instills love, wisdom, and purpose in our lives. By addressing these shifts with openness and a readiness to surrender to the universe's flow, we can gracefully integrate these new energies, emerging as more authentic and empowered versions of ourselves. As the energetic waves pass through, they might speed up your awakening process, causing dramatic transformations in consciousness. These changes may feel chaotic, as if the very fabric of your reality is being undone and reconstructed. However, this upheaval serves a bigger purpose. It propels you toward deeper self-understanding, divine connection, and a purposeful life. In the face of these transforming currents, embracing change with courage and trust is critical. Imagine yourself like a leaf being carried by a sacred river, trusting the current even when it becomes tumultuous. By surrendering to the divine process, you allow yourself to be directed to your full potential. As these energies realign your being, they create harmony between your inner and outer worlds, attracting people, situations, and opportunities that match your soul's mission. You may be drawn to new experiences and connections that seem divinely arranged, as if the cosmos is perfectly aligned with your path. This realignment, however, may elicit strong emotions and reactions as the new energies interact with your personal energy fields. Old scars and unresolved traumas may resurface, hoping to be healed and released. It is a normal part of the process, a required cleansing to allow for fresh growth. To navigate these stormy waters, mindfulness serves as your anchor. Engage in self-reflection, enabling oneself to explore and comprehend these powerful feelings without judgment. Healing techniques such as energy work, meditation, and holistic therapies can help you integrate these new energies more easily. By consciously embracing these experiences, you can turn problems into opportunities for great growth. Each moment of suffering is a step toward becoming a more aligned and true version of yourself. Trust in the process, for it will lead you to a harmonious existence in which your inner truth shines brilliantly, illuminating your path with divine light. In the face of such tremendous transformations, trusting in the universe's wisdom is critical. This voyage is an evolutionary route led by forces far beyond our comprehension. Accept the unfolding process with an open heart to the wonders of the universe, knowing that each step is divinely choreographed. Let go of your connection to predetermined thoughts and outcomes. Let go of your strict expectations and let the cosmos work its magic in unexpected ways. This allows you to break free from the constraints of the past and enter a world of limitless possibilities. Develop unshakable faith in the universe's goodness. Recognize that every event, no matter how difficult, serves a greater purpose in your soul's progress. Believe that the universe is conspiring in your favor, directing you toward growth, healing, and enlightenment. Each moment is a sacred thread in the vast fabric of your existence, beautifully woven with love and wisdom. Recognize how everything is interconnected as you navigate this transitional period. Every thought, action, and goal adds to the overall fabric of existence. Your individual decisions have an impact on the globe in ways that you may not be aware of. Embody your divine potential by becoming a conscious co-creator. You have the ability to create a new reality that reflects your deepest truths and highest goals. This is a summons to awaken to your actual self, to channel the divine energy within you, and to create a life of great meaning and joy. Accept the new energies with an open heart and let them take you to a higher state of being. Feel the connectivity of all life and realize that you are an important component of the cosmic dance. Your journey is not solitary, it is intertwined with the journeys of many others, all striving for a common goal of love, harmony, and oneness. Surrendering to change and welcoming new energies aligns you with the magnificent symphony of the cosmos. You become a beacon of light, illuminating others' paths and contributing to humanity's collective ascension. This is your divine mission, your sacred destiny. And now is the time to take on this position. During this amazing period of cosmic upheaval, starseeds are asked to reconnect with their inner strength and limitless wisdom. These brilliant souls have chosen to incarnate on Earth, offering their ancient knowledge and higher energetic levels to help the world ascend. Now is the time to awaken to your actual identity, to recall the divine light that you are, and to tap into the vast wisdom that lies within. This era necessitates the removal of all impediments to growth. Old patterns, limiting beliefs, and stagnant energies must be removed in order to make room for new benefits. Accept true love and abundance as your inheritance, and allow these divine gifts to flow into your life naturally. The universe is sending you signals via number codes such as 51,555 or 555, signifying approaching change and new chances. These sequences are divine signals that guide you to your full potential and encourage you to trust the process. The Earth is undergoing major transformations, clearing the path for greater consciousness, spiritual awakening, and harmony with higher realms. These global transformations are mirrored within us, as we are also being called to raise our consciousness and accept our divine essence. As we adjust to these new Earth frequencies, bodily symptoms such as weariness, headaches, and body aches may develop. These are signals that your body is recalibrating, shedding old densities to make room for the higher frequency energies that are currently overwhelming the world. It is a natural aspect of the Ascension process, a purifying that helps you to hold more light and become more aligned with your authentic self. Accept these transformations with compassion and understanding. Recognize that each symptom and alteration is a step closer to your soul's goal. The Earth's metamorphosis and your personal progress are inextricably linked, each affecting the other in a mystical dance of ascendance. By reconnecting with your inner strength, letting go of what no longer serves you, and embracing the changes within and around you, you align with the larger cosmic purpose. You become a beacon of light, a catalyst for change, not only in your own life, but for the whole globe. This is the responsibility of starseeds during these revolutionary times, to awaken, heal, and lead mankind into a new period of love, unity, and greater consciousness. As we navigate through these transforming times, ascending individuals must establish profound connections with their higher selves. This link acts as a guiding light, bringing clarity and understanding to the constant change we confront. Accept this inner wisdom and let it guide you through the ebb and flow of these energetic adjustments. Holistic self-care becomes essential. Nurture your physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual bodies via practices that promote balance and well-being. Stay open to new possibilities, knowing that every instant has the potential for great change. Prioritizing self-care provides a solid basis for exploring the period's immense potential. Believe in your soul's path, and believe that every step you take is divinely guided. The cosmos has a vast plan for your progress, and each experience, no matter how difficult, serves a greater purpose. Surrender to this cosmic dance and allow the energies to guide you into better alignment and harmony. Maintain a good attitude and an open heart, accepting the love, abundance, and blessings that are coming into your life. Your journey is unique, representing the divine development of your soul's potential. Staying focused, connected, and open to the universe's wisdom will help you navigate this transformative era with grace and empowerment. In conclusion, these transforming energies provide significant potential for spiritual growth and expansion. Accept the changes with an open heart and a desire to follow the flow of the cosmos. Trust your inner wisdom and the divine's counsel, knowing that you will be supported every step of the way. By remaining grounded and connected to your higher self, you can traverse these transitions with ease and emerge as a more true and empowered version of yourself. As we navigate this moment of upheaval together, keep in mind that we are all interconnected, and our individual journeys contribute to humanity's collective ascent. Together, we can create a world full of love, unity, and higher consciousness. Thank you, seekers of truth and wisdom, for joining Psychonics. Until next time, may your path be enlightened by divine light and filled with love and enlightenment.